Welcome back to our Conversations on the Couch series. I'm Lindsay Morton, and today I'm joined by Dr. Lea Blackwell, a breast surgeon here in Lee County. And Dr. Blackwell, today we're talking about a really important topic, which is common misconceptions about breast cancer. So a big question here that I know a lot of people have is, can men get breast cancer?
Right, so a lot of people assume that breast cancer is a disease of women,
Sure.
But 1% of all breast cancers occur in men.
Interesting.
And it's less recognized because they're not being screened with mammograms like women are. And so they usually present at a little more advanced presentation.
Mm-hmm.
Typically, the men are older when they have breast cancer compared to women. Okay. The average age of a woman getting breast cancer is 62. The average age of a man getting breast cancer is 68.
Wow.
And the breast cancers occur in men with family histories of breast cancer. But if there is an abnormal lesion in the breast on a man, then it should be evaluated and brought up to the primary care physician or to a surgeon.
Absolutely. So they can have some of the same symptoms that a woman can have.
Correct. Typically a palpable mass or some abnormal nipple discharge or just some changes in the skin compared to the other breast.
Interesting. So don't ignore this. Even if you are a man, this is not something to be ignored.
Correct. Yeah, absolutely.
So another question, I know that you get this one a lot, is if a patient has to have a mastectomy, does this prevent breast cancer from coming back?
Right. So I think a lot of people assume that if they have a mastectomy that the breast cancer cannot come back. But even with mastectomy, there's still some breast tissue that remains, and that breast cancer can come back even with mastectomy. So I think it's important for people to know that to help them make their surgical decision.
Well, thank you for clearing up some of those questions. I know you get those often, so thank you for helping our viewers.
Absolutely.
And thank you for joining us today. We want to thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you next time for Conversations on the Couch.